Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and a Colorado Cargo Trailers. This one is our 6x12 Colorado Cargo Trailer. These are great multi-use units. It's insulated with power, AC, you've got windows, a whole lot of goodies on it. You guys can view our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. And we ship, so if you guys aren't in Colorado, no worries, we can ship one to your door. This one again is in our 6x12. It's in our thicker aluminum skin. It's in the matte gray blackout package. Does come with pretty much all the same equipment that the off-road trailers do, just doesn't have the big tires and wheels and the torsion axles. This one is going to be a great just highway traveler for those of you that want the multi-use purpose and you're going to do a lot of highway travel and then obviously some light fire roads and that sort of a thing. You do have your front generator box and platform on the front, so you do still have a place for that generator to ride and store. It doesn't come with one, but you've got a place right there for it to go. This is also generator ready, so you've got a 30 amp twist lock plug right there as well. Kind of back out here. Here's a good shot of this side of the trailer. We just unloaded this one, so it's still kind of dirty, but we wanted to get it out to you guys right away. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. You do have an exterior GFI outlet, which is that little guy right there. Couple of outside party lights off the side, plus you've got load lights off the back, so you'll have some exterior light at night. And then this one does come with a 3,500 pound axle. It does have a brake on the axle, and then you also have a 15-inch tire and wheel and a beautiful aluminum wheel as well. So really nice setup there. Aluminum roof rack and ladder on top. This one has the rear ramp door. It also has the rear deck option on it, so you can use that as a ramp or use it as a rear deck if wanted. You do also have the load lights off the back. That's those little guys right there. And you have stabilizer jacks underneath, so you've got a lot of different ways to get stability under this trailer if you want to drop it and camp in it and do your thing. Insulated walls and ceiling in here. You've got a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner as well. Our performance Nudo floor with Dry Maxx. It's a great floor, extremely durable, and then you've got 4 D-rings for tie down points as well. This one has open conduit, so this is a great unit if you guys want to add anything to this, because you've got all your lines exposed and it's right there. It gives you kind of a nice industrial look as well. And then you've got 4 puck lights, 2 on each side right there, as well as an overhead roof vent. That is the Maxx Air. It does have a bubble cover on it. And then you have an AC unit with a heat strip up there as well. And you can have some climate control. Battery box battery charger, which is going to run your interior puck lights. So these guys, it's also going to run all of your exterior lights. So you don't need to be plugged into a generator or plugged into a power source to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. So it's another nice benefit there. And you do have a 3-year factory warranty with this unit as well. This trailer weighs 1,215 pounds. It's going to give you about an 1,800 pound payload capacity. And you guys can reach us always at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. It's by far the best place to reach us nowadays. And again, we ship, so if you're not here, no worries, just give us a call. We can get one of these shipped out to your door for a very reasonable price. Usually we ship literally every single day. And if you guys are watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.